Good afternoon, teachers. Wanted to just touch base with you about a couple of things that's been going on this week. As Mr. Carlin mentioned in his Friday note, we are looking at the possibility of getting started with some of the asbestos abatement. There's floor tile here, has been forever. It's more a routine thing than anything, but it will need to be addressed before we get to the summer's deconstruction of the building. And I've got a couple of plans in place. I will share them with you on Monday. I've got things out to Mr. Carlin right now. But we met for a couple of hours with Boyd Jones and the contractors that are doing it to come up with some reasonable plans. And it all kind of hinges on what's happening with decisions about school and what that looks like next week. The governor has said that by the 15th that she would make a determination one way or the other. At least that's what she hinted at last week, or earlier this week. Other than that, I just want to say thank you to all of you. I know you've been working your tails off trying to figure out stuff, learning so many new things all at once. And I know it's not easy. From my perspective, I've been as busy or busier than in the past, just kind of wrapping my brain around how best to serve kids and what to do when they're not making good choices and how to find that balance. And that's one thing that I would share with you. If you could make sure that you're unplugging at different times and getting some private time away from electronics, I think that's going to become a more and more important issue so that you can do your job well when you are connected. So just try to find that balance. I guess I would personally commit to somebody, either a team player on your team or somebody in your immediate family that you could talk to and commit to, okay, these are my hours that I'm taking off. This is what I'm doing. I'm not going to open up any emails, that kind of thing. And just commit to it. And I think it would be good for you. And I hope that you enjoy some free time this weekend. And I want you to have a great one. Thanks.